Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Dolls Handmade Creations. So today I'm showing you this Tonic craft kit. It's a monthly subscription that you can get from Tonic. You can also do it where it's pay. I think it's pay for a whole year, pay for 6 months, pay for 3 months, or monthly, or you can do a one-off. That means you don't have to, when you see it on sale, you can buy it or pass on it. So let's get into what. Ooh, love it when I have a new binder, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get all of this out and let's see. I can't even remember what it was. I love these boxes. So let's move this box out of the way. Y'all know I like to do my papers first. Let me see if I got something in here. Hold on. Alright, so this is just advertising and it's already expired. Throw that away. Alright, so let's move this. Y'all seen the binder. Love these binders. I can put, I think, 4 in here comfortably. So if when I have extras, I can use other dies that I purchase. Alright, so this kit is a walk on the wild side. A walk on the wild side. So I showed you that. Let's go through these papers. I love getting these papers because you get a idea of what the papers look like. Oh, let me get the thing out. Let me just put this on here so I don't lose it. For papers that you may not have. So then you get a little, sample. So, I mean, it's a full sheet, but you're able to have a sample of it. All right. So let's see. Walk on the wild side. Let me make sure I'm naming these papers correctly. This is kit number 72. What is my... Yeah, kit 72. All right. So we have Craft Perfect. In the color, this is the classic card, and this is chocolate brown. I love that. I do have that color. I have a lot of the colors, but some of them I don't. Oh, matter of fact, I must have dropped it because I keep my little swatch. Oh no, there it is. So I can see which colors I have. All right, then we have Blossom Pink. Y'all know I have a lot of that. Blossom Pink. And these are all classic card papers. Then we have Olive Green. Olive Green. Ooh, I like this palette so far. Look how pretty that is. Then we have Fuchsia Pink. I have all of these, so that is awesome. Then we have Pistachio Green. Pistachio Green. Oh, is that all we got this time? I guess so, huh? Then we have I have to see which one these are. I don't know which one. I have them both, I think. Might not have that one. I'm thinking this is pewter gray. Pewter gray. And then this one is misty gray. So it's a darker gray. I have this one. I don't think I have the pewter gray. Then we have tan brown. I do have that one. And then last but certainly not least, this is olive green. Is it olive or grass? I think this is olive. Olive green. That's grass green, if I said it incorrectly. So look how pretty this palette is. Absolutely love the color, especially these with the brown. So pretty. And so we didn't get anything but classic card this time. Love it, love it, love it. I love classic card. This is textured weave on one side and smooth on the other. So if y'all can see it, hopefully I'm close enough so y'all can see the texture. And then on this side, the opposite side, it is smooth. So you can use either side. So that is the paper singles. And then we were given this Principal Pearlescence. A whole entire stack, guys. Yeah! Where's my little pick? Let's get it open. Yes, honey. I love these little paper stacks. I need to put them all in one spot. I thought I had started, but I think I moved. Alright, so these are Majestic Gold, Ivory Sheen, Pearl White, and Onyx Black. So there are, of course, this is 6x6, but there's 4 colors, 6 of each. So this one is the Pearlized White. That's what it looks like. Pearlized White. Oh, and it's double-sided. Love it, love it. Then we have the Majestic Gold. Oh, man. So I forgot to tell you, the Pearlized papers are double-sided. Love that. Then we have Majestic Gold. Yes. These colors are amazing. Then, of course, Onyx Black. Oh, I don't think I have the black. Let's see. I don't think I have the Pearlized Black. So now I know I got to get it. That is a nice paper pad. Awesome. Then, let me put this up before I poke myself. We got, where is it? Some Aquaflow. Yes! Let me see if I have these colors. I'll keep mine in this little baggie for now. I have ordered a little MDC box that I can put my markers and the Aquaflows in so they can sit up. So it looks like I might, one's coming loose there. Might have it. Don't have it, I mean. This one's coming apart. Why are you coming apart? I ain't even opened it yet. Okay, so you want to act funny. Let's just go ahead and take that off then, because it's not staying. There we go. Alright, so I don't look like I have these colors, which is awesome. Awesome. Let's see. So in this kit we got Autumn Woodland. That's what this kit pack is called. So we got Spiced Ginger, Rustic Oak, Evergreen Fern. Ooh, I do not have these. Yeah. Look at those beautiful colors. Absolutely love them. Wow. Very pretty. As I'm looking, I do not have these colors. Yes! These work so well, guys. I'm not taking off the little yellow rings because that keeps it from being connected. But yeah, I'm keeping them all. Look how many I've gotten so far, guys. Alright. Let's put that back. We can throw this in the garbage. Uh-oh. Gotta put these up. Alright. Now, let's get to my Nouveau pack. Y'all know that's one of my favorite things. It's the Nouveau pack. So, let's see what we got in here this time. Alright. So this time, ooh, do I have this one? This one is called, we got a Crystal Drop. And this one is Apple Green. I think I have it. But that is pretty. Apple Green. I'm looking over there at my things. Yeah, I got it. It's looking right at me. So this is an extra. I just throw it in my little bin. And then this is, oh, what is this? A water brush. Yes, honey. I couldn't find my water brushes. So I am so excited that I got one. Yes. So this is Aquaflow brushes. And it is the water brush. Yes, honey. Love it. So you just add water in it. I don't have to do that. Just put it back. Add water in it. So I'm going to put it right there in my thing. And take the top off. Let's see, can I? Looks like it's not letting. There we go. Oh, this is a fine tip nib too. Look at that nib. Oh, love it. Yes, honey. I am loving that. So I'm going to leave that right there. No, let's put it over here. Because I've been looking for another one. And then this marker is Lemon Drizzle. Where are my markers? Let me see. Lemon Drizzle. Trying to see what I did with my marker. Don't know. I'm gonna leave it in the pack just in case, but I think I have this one. Lemon Drizzle. Look at that pretty color. You can see it the tip and the side. Lemon Drizzle. And it's a glitter marker. Awesome, awesome. So I will leave that in there. All right, so now let's get to the dies. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So let's get to this die set. OMG. A Walk on the Wild Side. Oh my gosh. Look at these cute animals. All right, so let's look at the stickers first. I mean, not stickers, the stamp set. Oh, cool. So this could be tree bark. It could be waves in water. Oh, wow. This can be zebra stripes. This is cheetah pattern. And it says, "You're the cutest. Oh, snap. Shallow. Need a hug. Let's go wild. See you, Gator. It's your birthday. Let's hang out." That is so cute. I love when you can get sentiments like that with everything. All right, so let's look at these dies, guys. Look at this. You got an alligator or a crocodile, a koala bear, a panda bear, and look at the beautiful flowers. This is like what you see in the swamp. Have those, I forgot what you call these, with the little thing on the top. And this looks like, what, eyeballs or something to go in the eyes of each one. Yeah, so when you see the swamp area or the jungle, you see these kind of flowers. So cute. So you have the, of course, the outline and the detail cut. That panda is too cute. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. Then you got a cute little turtle. Oh my gosh. And then a sloth and a frog. So you got a lily pad, a leaf, a tree trunk, some more flowers like bamboo. This looks like bamboo. And another leaf. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. This would be so cute when you make like a baby book. That'll be so adorable to do that. So I'm going to put these back in here. And I'm going to show you the picture that it came with. Some pictures. Look at that. Look at the panda. I think that's my favorite. So this one just has the head sticking up. But that's cute. Look at the koala bear. Oh, look at the tree trunk. Those leaves. Okay, good idea. That's why I love to get this little pamphlet. Because you can see they did those little leaves and made the top of a tree. Adorable. And then here's another. There's a sloth. That is cute. Oh, snap. And then look at the cute turtle and frog. Guys, this is a cute, cute die set. Again, this is kit number 72, A Walk on the Wild Side. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Did y'all get this kit? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.